Hi, this is Arun Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to unbox Nokia 106. This is a basic mobile phone with a long battery life, and it is having 1.8 inch display, and it is having a LED torch. So let's see what's inside the box. So we have the mobile phone. This is the Nokia 106 mobile phone. There is no camera, and on top you can see the flash LED light and the micro USB cable charging port. And you have the charger for the mobile, and it comes with a micro USB port. Again, inside the box we can see a quick guide where you can see all the documentations related to the mobile phone, and also the battery. The battery is a separate one. To switch on the mobile, you have to long press this button and the mobile get switched on. So let us see what's inside the menu. So we have the call logs, we have the contacts, and we have the alarm clock and time settings here. You have an FM radio, but you need to connect the headset. And this is the messages menu, and you have a torch. You can switch on the torch and you can see the torch. This is the calculator. Only basic functions are there in the calculator. So here we can see the calendar, and there is a game. It's the sneak game, and there are few more games available, but you have to pay. And we have the settings here. Here you can select the tone settings, ringing volume, you can set the vibrating alert, keypad tones, etc. here. You can change the wallpaper. This is a very compact mobile, can be used as a secondary mobile.